Here's a review for the Evo Audio waterproof Bluetooth shower speaker. You see it right here. Rechargeable batteries. Well, that's a pretty long time. You can answer a phone call in the shower. Totally awesome. And I love this thing. I also put it in my spa and used this last night, but I would recommend this to anybody. Totally giant suction cup mounts to it. Totally waterproof speakers. All the buttons are waterproof. You can see the blue light flashing. There's a case with the charging cord. Really pairs up nice and easy. I would order one as a gift. Totally for somebody. This is probably the nicest Bluetooth speaker I've seen. Definitely rocks out. Get one today. Evo Audio.